A 50-page technical PDF or a 2-hour lecture can take days to fully process. By using a specialized system to consolidate that data, you can digest the core concepts of those same documents in about 10 minutes. You can reach this level of speed by converting your static notes into a structured ecosystem of podcasts, flowcharts, and testing tools, all without paying for a subscription. Standard AI chatbots often pull information from the entire internet, which frequently leads to errors or material that doesn't match your specific syllabus. Google NotebookLM is built differently. This diagram shows how the system creates a secure boundary. Powered by the Gemini 1.5 Pro engine, the AI is restricted to the specific files you provide. It ignores external internet noise, which prevents the hallucinations common in other tools. To set this up, you only need an internet browser and your source material. Because the AI is locked to your specific upload, the responses stay strictly within the bounds of your actual study material. To begin, search for the tool, select Try NotebookLM, and click this plus icon to create your first notebook. Each notebook functions as a dedicated workspace for a single chapter, textbook, or project. Populate this workspace with PDFs, handwritten notes, Wikipedia links, or direct URLs from YouTube lectures. Once you provide the sources, the system analyzes the data in about 10 seconds, handling the reading that would normally take you hours. By letting the AI handle the initial organization, you save your focus for the actual task of understanding the material. Look at the panel on the right side of the interface. Open the Audio Overview tab and click Generate. The system automatically translates dry notes into a 2-person podcast. The waveform shows 2 distinct AI voices engaging with each other to explain your data. These hosts don't just read the text, they ask questions and simplify complex theories using conversational language, making the material feel like a real discussion. Listen to a short sample of the generation to hear the quality of the synthetic voices. This format lets you turn a commute or a lunch break into a study session, shifting your learning from passive reading to active listening. For those who prefer visual learning, the Studio section provides a mind mapping tool. In about 10 seconds, the system reorganizes a dense block of text on the left into a clean, interconnected flowchart on the right. This removes the manual labor of drawing connections between concepts, giving you a printable study guide. You can then transition to the testing phase by using the flashcards and quiz features. The system generates over 60 flashcards for your key formulas and provides a self-grading mock test so you can verify what you've actually retained. There is also a video overview option, which reformats your data into a short animated presentation suitable for school projects. By the time you finish using these tools, you've moved from reading a text to being fully tested on its contents. Beyond your own studies, this workflow creates value for professionals who lack the time to summarize their own research materials. This allows you to offer services as a freelance research assistant. This pipeline shows the exchange. You take raw, disorganized data from a client and return a packaged bundle of mind maps and summaries. This saved the client hours of manual synthesis. Content creators and online educators often need to turn long transcripts into structured study aids, but don't have the bandwidth to do it themselves. Your ability to provide these assets quickly creates a marketable service. You can list these specific deliverables, like custom mind maps or topic summaries, on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork to find these buyers. Mastering this digital workflow helps you succeed academically while building a skill that other people are willing to pay for. Look at the difference. On the left is the raw, unedited PDF. On the right is that same information transformed into a searchable, interactive study suite. Keep in mind that while the AI organizes the information, your brain is the only thing that actually goes into the exam room. Use these tools to speed up your comprehension, not to replace the effort required to learn the concepts. As soon as this video ends, upload one chapter you've been avoiding and see how the system reorganizes it. If you followed this guide to the end and are ready to start, type the word notebook in the comments. Technology works as an amplifier. When you apply the right system to your workload, you can turn a week of struggle into a few minutes of clear understanding.